Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is I, Tolamamus, and I am back again with another video and bundles of joy. Okay,
I hope you understand me.
Yes, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you very much, ma.
Thank you, my dear.
today I'm going to be showing you guys, wow, English is such a common problem. I'm going to be showing you guys my 10k coil activator collection that I do have, that I have bought with my own money, my mother's money. But what I'm trying to tell you is that it is not sponsored by any brand, so I'm giving you guys my honest review on each and every one of these activators that most of them I've been using for quite some time. I've been using some of them for like 3 years plus. I've been using some of them for like 30 minutes ago. I've been using some of them for like, let's just say, as long as I can remember. So people, let's just get on straight into the video, shall we? I'm going to be showing you guys is one that I am almost out of, and it is the Jack 5 activator. Is it, let me get the name right, the Jack 5 activator moisture gel. Okay, it's called, according to what is stated there, it says conditioner and oil share moisturizer for waves and coils. So this is your coil activator, baby. You do not want something, you don't want to be getting a coil activator that does not have any business with Jhericurl hair. Okay, now some color activators that is just maybe for men, so you do need to really check what you are buying, boo boo. Okay, this activator, I've been using this activator for like 3 years plus, to be very honest. I've been using it for like 3 years plus. The first activator I ever used, I don't even remember the name. I thank God I don't remember the name, because I don't want to trash anybody's brand openly. But the thing about that activator that I first used was that it was trash. It was nonsense, rubbish, slanderous. It was just messed up. Okay, there was nothing good about that activator. It made my hair wanko. It made my hair terrible. And when you check the meaning of the word wanko, you'll see that it's independable, and it was independable to bring out my beauty. So that's what happened. This activator is quite thick, like it has this very thick texture. So when I applied it, my hair is quite wet. It just weighs down my hair, and I don't really like that feeling. So that's why I don't use this activator so much. So this thing is not reducing out of wow, every morning we're going after it. No, it's reducing because we haven't been using it for quite a long time. For like, we bought like a long time ago, and we use it like seldomly. So now it's running out, and we don't have a replacement right now. So we'll try and get another one. I'm not saying that it's totally bad, but for me personally, I don't just like when my hair feels weighed down. So I will apply it once in 3 days, once in 4 days, or just once in a week. But right now, ever since I washed my hair, I have not applied it at all. You will know what is behind my hair looking bouncy. The activator responsible for this confusion. And the next activator on my list is the Aloe Vera Coil Activator. This activator is actually a very good activator. I got it for 1,900 naira. Okay, not dollars. Okay, we can't play that play in Nigeria. All right. So this activator is really good for curls. It gives definition, like it defines your curls, all the spirals. It comes out very well, like very nicely. The only issue that I do have with this one, you know, this other one, that first one I talked about, I said that it weighs down my hair. But the advantage of an activator that weighs down your hair is that it lasts way longer. This one cool does not weigh down my hair. It's actually light, the way I like my activators to be, but it sort of like dries up easily. That's what happened. Dehydrates, whichever. It makes my hair like, just sometimes I feel as if it disappears. So I can't rely on this one to give me 2 days coverage. What I'm trying to talk about is that normally when you ask people that do that do Jhericurl hair, even me myself that I do Jhericurl hair, we have to apply coil activator almost every day. It's only when you get a very good activator that I can be lucky to maybe apply once in 2 days, once in 3 days, but not once in a week, because you're not planning on killing your curls. Thank you. So this activator, I would give it a 7. I'll give it an 8. Sorry, I'll give this one an 8. Then I would give Jack 5.
Diva
of them all is the Hollywood Coil Activator, and this Hollywood Gel Coil Activator is actually the best. It's the favorite, my favorite I've used so far. It's actually the best I have used so far. This one, the jar is full. The jar is full. You know why? The issue I do that the jar is full because of the issue I have with it. The jar is full because I rarely do see this activator. I rarely see this activator. Like if I go to 5 stores, out of 5 stores, only one will have this particular activator. And because it's so rare, I'm going to save it for winter. I'm going to save it because I do have other activators, so I can play around those ones. Right now, it's locked down. I'm not going anywhere. I'm in my father's house. All I have to do is make sure my coils are alive. But when I want to slay, I will use this one, okay? When I want to slay, when I want to show them, when I want to kill them, you know, that kind of feeling. It does what the other first two they do combined. It's like a combination of everything. It gives me this light feel. It doesn't weigh down my hair, but at the same time, I can keep it on my hair for 2 to 3 days and not like reapply. And that is really, really, really nice if you are using activator, because activator costs you money, boo. It costs you money, and you want to find the easiest way out.
Hey! We may go suffer, no be.
Okay, all right. The last but not the least, are in any way at all, because this one is responsible for the pregnancy on my hair. Why did that say that? Okay, so this one is responsible for my coils today. This is the Gloshine Coil Activator Gel, and this one I got it for 1,700 naira. Okay, I got it for 1,700, and see what it did for my hair. I didn't apply water on my hair. I didn't like make my hair moist or spray bottle. I didn't do anything like that. I just applied this activator, use my comb, like, okay, stay here, attention, and I got this. So this one, I just got it recently. Today is the first day I'm actually using it, and it does have a sister. It has a sister, and she's blue in color. Okay, she didn't come here to play because she looked like toothpaste. Okay, she looked like toothpaste. She looks like, yeah, that's what she looks like. So these ones, I've actually just been trying them out. I tried, like I said, I tried this one out today. So with time, I'll be able to give like what I do really think why I do really think about it. I'll be able to tell you guys very soon what I think. So that's all for my Coil Activator collection. And when you add the money all together, about 10k for activator.
That's it. It's finished.
I look cute. That's the most important thing. Okay, that's the most all right, guys, that's all for this video. So do tell me your favorite activator, like your favorite coil activator, if you are already in Jhericurl hair, or whichever activator that you have been using, and what you really do think about it. Let me see if I can do a review on it or something like that. So guys, please do subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed to this channel already. I would really appreciate that. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers at the end of this year. Okay, we want to get that monetized money. That's what we want. Okay, that's what you guys want from me. That's what I want for you guys too. Okay, so have a great day, a great week, and a great life. Okay, bye.